Hey friends, today we're doing an unboxing on the Nobebird USB-C hub adapter. So basically I have a Google Pixel XL2 and it has a USB-C plug in it, and I want, if you transfer pictures and stuff onto a hard drive instead of having to load it into the computer, if I can go directly from my phone onto the mobile hard drive, that would be kind of cool. So let's open this thing up and see what we got. So on the top is card reader, gigabyte LAN, so it's got a Type-C adapter on one end. I believe with this that you can charge your device. Plug this into your phone or something and charge at the same time. It's got a gigabyte LAN plug here. It's got 3 USB 3 hubs on this side and a couple of card readers on this side. Looks like a regular and a micro SD chip. So all those, hopefully we'll be able to just plug those into, I can plug this into my phone and then plug the external hard drive into here, download the pictures directly from the phone onto the hard drive, because it's kind of a pain, not all the time. I mean, it just skipping the step of like having it on your computer, taking your computer, plugging that into the computer, and then going through a whole setup to get the phone to be recognized and all that, which is not a super big deal, but this is more convenient. So this is the unboxing on the Nobebird USB-C adapter hub. So we'll be doing a demonstration and a review later on, so thanks for watching this unboxing and stay tuned for that. We'll see you next time, my friends, and be safe, take care of each other.